Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO Team Parliament. Today we will learn how to fetch all external links from a website. So for this purpose, I am using the Python code on collab.research.google.com. So you can find the code from the description of the link, this video, from the description of this video. So copy and paste the code here, then hit the play button. It will ask the website names. So my website name is ctpsjoysips.com. Press the enter button and wait for the results. The code is completed in 2 minutes and 15 seconds, and click this refresh button. So here we have the external links in the CSV file. Just download this file. Okay, it's 84 KB file, and let's upload on the drive and see. Let's rename. Okay. Okay, here you can see external links on the pages. So on this page, these external links. So here you can see the complete list. I have in total 394 external links. Okay, so it's easy to find all the external links on the web page using Python. In the next video, we will find only external and broken links on the website from the whole website actually. Also, you can add multiple domains and find from the multiple website. Let Python do your task automatically. So tap the like button, subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.